Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are here and we'll be discussing about Dogecoin. As in the previous video, we discussed what can happen in its upcoming days as it broke our resistance over here, and we predicted it to go till this resistance, and it happened exactly the same way. After coming here, it broke it and it's on a huge high, and as we can see, it started falling from here. Before the SNL, it started falling. It got a pullback. So that can be a good news. Like we can buy it in early stages. As we can see on the SNL, it can rise high up till $1. So we'll be predicting Dogecoin to go to $1 by SNL or on the day of SNL. Like Dogecoin, I got a new cryptocurrency which is a very good crypto to invest. So we'll be checking its fundamental and we'll be analyzing it. So let's go. Here we are on the slide of BAT. Yes, basic attention token. We'll be discussing about it. So let's begin. Now let's know what is the big idea of BAT. It wants to provide people a safe browser platform. Brave is faster and more private than Chrome while maintaining support from Chrome extension. Now let's move. How does Brave appears to be? This is the home screen of Brave. This is how it appears when you use it. Now let's understand about BAT. What is the basic of BAT? Brave is more or less standard browser that lets users navigate to website, run web app, and display online content. Like other browser, it is free to download and use. Remember, site authentication information and can block online ads from appearing on sites. Its maker, Braver Software, is among the New Year entries in the browser battle, having previewed the browser in January 2016. By comparison, Google's Chrome launched in September 2008 and Microsoft Edge traces its lineage to July 2015. The firm was co-founded by Brendan H., the creator of JavaScript and co-founder of Mozilla. So let's go ahead. Now let's know the fundamentals of BAT. What is BAT? Current price is 1.31 US dollars. The market rank of BAT is 66. Market capital of BAT is 2,078,768,076 USD. 24th volume is 74,508,956 dollar. Circulating supply 1,499,780,869 BAT. Now let's go to its chart and analyze what will be happening in its upcoming days and its support and resistance. So let's go. Here we are on the chart of BAT INR. As you can see, this was its all-time high, that is 129 rupees, and this is our first resistance that we marked on our chart, and the second resistance is this. As you can see, whenever it came to that resistance, it fell there, here, and even in upcoming days it might happen that it can fall from there. As you can see, I marked everywhere when it came to that price action and fell from that. And the third resistance of R will be this one. As you can see here, when it came to this price, it again fell there, and when it went above it but couldn't sustain and again fell from there, and here it also fell from here, and then this. So this is our third resistance, and exactly happened today morning 9:30. As I marked here, it fell from there and it again start moving up. So we can expect, after falling so many times from that resistance, it to break this resistance, go till this one over here, and after breaking this here, our target will be all-time high. After breaking its all-time high, we don't have any limits and it might go more high. So we'll be expecting BAT to break this resistance over here and then come till this resistance and break this, as it fell many times from there, and then the next target will be all-time high. So we'll be waiting and we'll be analyzing it more in the upcoming days. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and share. Thank you.